Hey, today is Monday the 14th, April 14th. We got all 8 of the columns stood up and tacked. Now, Sonny's gonna go to welding them out, and me and Colby are gonna measure everything and start marking our rafters where we're gonna cut them. But I'm gonna show how to figure the rafter lengths to cut. So this particular, we've measured inside to inside flange on all these columns. This particular one here, actually these 3, the first, second, and third all measures the same. The one on the end slightly different, but anyhow, we got 76 6.5 inside to inside, and our rafter is going to sit down inside to inside there. So I'm going to get Colby to show my calculator. This is a Construction Pro calculator.
Come over here in the shade, I think.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, we know it's on a 2-inch pitch, or a 2 and 12 pitch. So I'm going to dial in the pitch, 2-inch pitch. Now, we're going to take the total footage that I just showed you, which was 76 feet, 6 inch and 1/2. Then we're going to divide that by 2, and that's your run. So you're just going to simply hit your run button, and what we're looking for is show right here. What we're looking for is the diagonal of 1/2 of the rafter from the long end to the short end right there. In order to get that, we're going to hit our diagonal button, and that tells me that we need to mark it at 38 feet 9 9/16. That would be from long to short here. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go over there and measure that rafter from here, 38 9 9/16, and we're going to put a mark here, and the same thing here, 38 9 9/16. And then what I like to do is clamp a clip on the side here, and that's just so that when we're pulling this 100-foot tape measure across there, that whoever's holding it doesn't really have to, all they got to do is make sure it stays on the clip, because I'm going to pull it as tight as I possibly can across the bottom here to my other soap mark, and see if we're not 38 9 9/16. Now, if we are greater than that, let's say we were 38 10 9/16.
Be the 76 6.5.
Or I'm sorry. Yes, he's correct. If we're looking for 76 feet 6.5 inches, and if we were greater than that, let's just say came out to 76 7. Well, we need to move each line, top and bottom, back, so that would be a 1/2 inch total. So we move it back 1/4 inch on this side and 1/4 inch on this side, and we remark everything, and then we pull or move the clip and pull our tape across here to see if we're 76 6.5. So again, find the center, pull that 38 9 9/16, put our square on here on the common side on a 2 and 12. We mark this side and this side, and we're going to pull our tape across here to see if we're 76 6.5. If we are, then we cut those tails off and we grind them, and then we don't have them on here yet, but we've got some angle iron that we're going to weld. It'll hang over about 6 inches on each side of the flange. Once we shoot grade on it, we'll set it up there where we want it, so that way the rafter sits right down on there with the SkyTrack, and that carries the weight of it. So, and when we shoot grade, in the beginning, we'll put a line across here, and then I always put an R like that, and that stands for reference mark. That way, when this thing gets full of marks for our purlin, we know that this one with the R is our reference mark. And that's what everything will be measured off of, because not all the time, the concrete's not always level at the bottom. But everything from there up and from there down will be level. So that's how we do it.